little lizard friend. Meep beep.
Hello, my name is Frankie, owner of Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair, located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA. In this video, I will be exploring Embudito Canyon trails, mountain biking and hiking. The Embudito Trail Head is located at the base of the Sandia Mountains in Albuquerque, through the Northeast Heights neighborhood. You can get a copy of the Albuquerque Bicycle Trail map at the local bike shops, bicycle organizations, libraries, and mobile bicycle repair businesses for free. I give the maps away for free to anybody who wants one. The easiest way to get to the trailhead is to go eastbound on Montgomery Boulevard past Tramway. Then make a left going northbound on Glenwood Hills Drive. Then make a right on Trailhead Road northeast going eastbound. Be careful because there's a lot of cyclists who ride to the area. This parking area can get full because it is a very popular trailhead. As you can see, a lot of people parked along the road before the entrance. Please don't block the entrance like that Toyota Prius. Alrighty, this is Embudito Canyon. Yeah. There are no bicycles allowed on the trail going into the canyon. The trail that is going eastbound. If you make a left before that trail, there will be another fork in the trail. The trail on the right will go northbound along the base of the Sandia Mountains to the Michael Emery Trailhead. The trail is very rocky and difficult and runs along the backyards of houses. If you turn left, you'll be going westbound towards Tramway. This trail is a lot less difficult. The trail has some parts that are really sandy. I do recommend you have fat, knobby mountain bike tires on your bicycle so you can turn and corner without slipping.
So we were gonna go down this way because this way might be a tad bit more easier. Whoa, almost ran over my little lizard friend. Meep beep. Oh, I almost wiped out so bad. I was like, I knew that sand, if I turned sharp fast, it was gonna, yeah, this is some sandy stuff. Yeah, this is some sandy beeping stuff. So we're going through the sagebrush. Yeah, I've just been hitting up all the trails. Oh, good thing I let some air out of my tires. Oh, what was that? Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, got some air, dude. I got some air. Oh, oh my gosh. Too many cactuses here. No. Oh. Woo. Oh my gosh. What the beeping beep. Oh, Wipeout right there.
Watch out for ground squirrels when you're riding down the trail. They like to run in front of cyclists.
The ground. The Wipeout. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Straight up, man. Whoa. Yeah. Freaking A. What's up, bro?
It was at that very moment I knew I made a mistake. I lost traction because I was using and riding tires with a multi-use tread, which was inappropriate for this sandy trail. If you're going to be riding this trail, ride tires that have a knobby tread with at least a 2-inch or more width. I highly recommend more than a 2-inch width tire. As you can see in the picture, these are the appropriate tires I should have been riding.
That was like, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's the name of the game. Could have been a lot worse, trust me. That was nada. That was nada. That's all I gotta say. Because if there was a cactus there, we would have had a bad day. It's just that sandy soil, you know what I mean? You gotta watch out for it.
The road that I'm going to be going under is Tramway Boulevard Northeast.
So this is one of the diversion channels or something. Whoa. Whoa. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, we mow it. Oh, we mow it. Oh, we mow it. Oh, wow, it still goes, this trail. Go ahead. Okay. So here, in the Mena Gallegos trails. Extreme. Oh. Whoa. That was insane. Nice to coming through. Coming through. Whoa. Extremely dangerous.
The trail that goes northbound along the base of the Sandia Mountains and the backyards of people's houses is very rough and rocky. So it doesn't stop being rocky until you get to Michael Emery Trailhead, which it's a lot more easier to ride those trails. Here is some footage of the trail leading into the canyon. It's very nice. It's very sandy, so wear some high top boots. That way you don't get sand in your shoes. It's basically a dry arroyo. Once you get into the canyon, it's very nice because there is a lot of shade and vegetation. There is a spring.
Starting to get very narrow, and the trail is basically a dry riverbed, and it's really nice. As you can see, maybe it's pretty sunny outside. I'm gonna get a lot of shade right now. Probably gonna get a lot cooler in the canyon. A nice tree. Nice tree. There's a lot of wild squashes out here and wild mint. I've noticed a lot of wild mint. You see that squash right there. And look at the mountain flowers. So as you can see, it gets kind of steep. It's just pretty much rocky. It's just pretty much a, you know, dried riverbed canyon. And yeah, there's a lot of vines. There's a lot more vegetation up here because this is more water in the ground and soil. It stays in there. That's a willow. That's a willow tree. Look at that, how it eroded the rock and made a little pool. See that? That's awesome. It's coming off the ground.
Thank you for watching my video and joining me on my bicycle ride. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. My name is Frankie, owner and bicycle mechanic of Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair. If your bicycle needs a tune-up and you live in Albuquerque or the surrounding areas, give me a call and book online through my website. Thank you and have a great ride, everybody.